Hey everybody, it's Chris Bystead out here at Guaranty RV in Junction City. Just wanted to take a minute and show you this amazing little Jayco. It's the Rocky Mountain Edition. So, you know, if you like to get off grid and do a little bit off the pavement, this would be a great trailer for you. Also, if you have a family, you need to sleep a few kids, and you just want a great trailer that'll handle everything economically, this is a fantastic trailer, a fantastic buy. It is the Jayco 22.4 bunkhouse. So this is a really great trailer for a family. There's no slide outs. It's very simple. It's got everything that you need. Check out this nice bedroom. Really nice mattress. You've got plenty of storage space here. Place for your devices with plug-ins, lamps, ducted AC. And if you look back over here, there's a nice little dinette. You could be eating here. I really like the fact that they do these pull down shades in black. I think that's nice. These tend to get a little dirty, and I think black is nice, and it also darkens it very, very beautifully. Look at this great sink. Nice and big, but you do have a little half split divider if you want to wash and rinse. You definitely have the sprayer and a higher end faucet. Microwave, fan and light, 3-burner cook stove and oven. And of course, a nice big Norcold fridge and freezer. Lots of space. I really like how much space they put in these Norcold freezers too, with a little bit of an indent right here, so things don't drip out if you thaw something. This is the place where you'd have some extra sleeping for the kids or anybody that want to take with you. You could sleep a couple adults up top, a couple down below. There's privacy curtains. I gotta tell you, I actually slept on one of these mattresses and they're very comfortable. Extra pantry space up here all the way around, so you can carry quite a bit of food. And a nice big bathroom. You can actually get in here and do everything you need to do, towel off, change your clothes in privacy. You have a nice sized bathroom for a trailer that doesn't have as much private quarters in it. It's important to have some good changing space behind the door right here. So this one also has an outdoor kitchen and a power awning. Wonderful deal on a trailer for your family. We could definitely show this to you. We've got several other floor plans in this great Jayco brand. So feel free to give me a call. My name is Chris Bystead. My number is 541-636-7878.